What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Streetbob here, looking dope, sounding dope, running absolutely fantastic. Such a joy to ride this bike. It's amazing bike. But anyway, I have a whole bunch of Harley Davidson products. Thanks so much, Harley Davidson. Appreciate it. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, James. Totally appreciate you supporting the build here on the Streetbob. We're gonna start putting some more stuff on. We have their Silverback. I haven't made a video about Silverback in a while. I know you guys are probably itching for one, but definitely we'll be there. Weather's beautiful today, but weather's picking up. It's been raining like literally like 3, 4, 5 days out of every week, past several weeks. We'll definitely be posting more videos on Silverback. But today we're gonna be changing out this intake here. Setup. We have a Screaming Eagle filter, high performance air filter. I have to see, I don't know if we're going to be changing out the whole thing or just the filter element. And then we're going to be starting to install the sissy bar, the backrest here. This cargo rack has to get mounted to this. We got to put some of these, obviously these bushings right here, the docking hardware onto the bike. Bag here from Harley Davidson, beautiful bag that we're gonna be able to put on the back of the cargo rack and strap that down. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some tools. I'll give you another startup on this bike and we'll see how she looks. Okay, so as you guys can see, this filter element is a white in color. This is the Screaming Eagle, and it is a K&N air filter. It's branded Harley Davidson, but it is a K&N air filter, which is great. So we're gonna be putting that in. But the only problem is, I wanted to obviously put this, but as you guys can see, it's like a bronze color. Just not feeling it on the black bike. I think it's going to clash. So we're gonna have to leave that off, but we are going to install the Screaming Eagle air filter, K&N air filter. All right, guys, that looks awesome. Nice Screaming Eagle air filter. All right, guys, that's all replaced. Nice Screaming Eagle intake setup here. We just kept the cover on, replaced everything else. Nice red air filter, high performance. If you guys have a question about, do I need to retune the bike if I'm just putting in like a high performance K&N air filter, Screaming Eagle air filter, whatever. No, you don't have to. The changes are really minute. Yes, it's going to let in more air, but the ECU is going to be able to compensate. It already does. For instance, if you're at sea level, it's sucking in and drawing in this amount of air. And then if you're going higher in elevation, obviously where the air is thinner, it's obviously sucking in less air. The air is less dense. So that's what the ECU is there for. The ECU is there to gauge how much air you got sucking into the motor, and then in return, it's going to give it that much fuel. If you're making huge changes, yes, you're going to need a retune. But something simple like this, you're not going to need to do anything, just in case you guys are wondering. Now I'm gonna start on the docking hardware for the backrest and the cargo rack. It's gonna allow us to go on some longer trips. All right, guys, got the docking hardware on. This one, the forward one, you're gonna see it has a bigger opening than the back one. So make sure if you're ever installing these, that's how you do it. More space towards the front, less towards the back. That locks in super nice. You could see that there's like a locking clip right there. So you just pull up if you want to detach it. That is on there good. And that is looking sweet. Got the cargo rack now, and that just mounts directly to the backrest. Got some fasteners right there. I'm gonna open them up and we'll slap that on. Wow. That's all I can say, guys, is wow. Streetbob is looking dope. sick does it look? Oh my God. I love how the bike looks with the single bag right now on the back. I could put my drone in here or some clothes for say 2-3 nights. Absolutely, 100%. Definitely good for short trips. Might do the bun burner on it. Not sure yet. We'll see. What do you guys think? Let me know. The only thing that I wish they sent me black fasteners right here instead of the chrome ones. I'll switch them out later. Not a big issue, but it is looking super dope, man. And this whole thing, literally, I could take off in 2 seconds. I just pull these clips and the bag and the cargo rack and the backrest all come off, all in one shot. Love it. I love it. I just love the look, like old retro, old school. It just looks absolutely awesome. The bars. Oh man, let me give you guys a startup. For this video, we're gonna be putting out a couple more videos with some more parts on Blue Bayou. We're gonna have a nice cool ride video for you guys here in the next couple days. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to this channel. I would appreciate it. We're on our way to 100,000 subscribers. We're almost there. I could smell it, I could taste it. And thanks to every single one of you guys. Truly appreciate you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.